If you're tired of constantly plugging and unplugging your dryer and your EV charging cable, we've got the perfect solution for you. Today, we're talking about our EVY1430 and EVY1030 adapters and how they make your life easier, safer, and more efficient. These adapters are designed to connect two different appliances, like your dryer and your EV charger, to the same outlet. With the built-in switch, you can keep both items plugged in at the same time and power them one at a time. No more tripping breakers or risking fire hazards from electrical arcing. So here's how it works. You plug your dryer into one side of the adapter and your EV charger into the other. Then use a switch to toggle between powering the dryer and charging your EV. It's that simple. You can even label the switches for added convenience. If you are constantly switching between appliances, you could possibly loosen the connection and cause electrical arcing within your outlet. And this may cause you to have to replace the entire outlet. This setup saves you from the hassle of constant unplugging and ensures that both devices can stay connected safely. We all know that 1430 and 1030 connections can be really tight and hard to plug in and remove. If you're using that one outlet for different things, then this is the perfect solution to prevent loose sockets and electrical arcing from happening. Now, here's something very important to keep in mind. When using these adapters for EV charging, you must manually set your EV's charging amps to 24 amps. Why? It's all about the 80% EV rule. The 80% EV rule states that when you're charging from a circuit, you should only use 80% of the circuit's total capacity for continuous loads like EV charging. For a 30 amp circuit, that means setting your EV charger to 24 amps to avoid overloading the circuit and tripping the breaker or overheating your power cords. If you're driving a Tesla or using a different EV, you'll need to go into your settings and manually adjust the charging amperage. It only takes a few seconds and it ensures a safe and efficient charging experience. Just to reiterate, in order for you to use the EVY properly and not ruin your cord, you must manually set your EV to 24 amps. This is the #1 rule. EV charging uses a lot of power over a long period of time. If used incorrectly, the switch area can get too warm, which could cause other issues. If you'd rather not worry about adjusting the settings on your EV, we've got you covered with other solutions. The G2EV1030 and G2EV1430 adapters connect directly to your Tesla mobile charger, eliminating the need to manually adjust your amps. These adapters have chips that automatically set the charging amps to 24 amps that allow for consistent charging that follows the 80% rule. These are great options depending on the outlet you have available in your garage, whether it's an EVY1030 or 1430 outlet. These adapters simplify your setup even further while maintaining safety and efficiency. Choosing the right product depends on your needs. If you want the convenience of switching between appliances like a dryer and EV charger, the EVY1430 or EVY1030 is perfect. If you want a direct connection to your EV charger without adjusting settings, go with the G2EV1030 or the G2EV1430. At EVY Works, safety is always our top priority. Remember, setting your EV to 24 amps is critical when using the EVY series to prevent overloading your circuit. And if you're not sure which adapter is right for your setup, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and solutions. Stay safe, stay connected, and stay powered up with EVY Works.